Thank you, Shankarji, for choosing Coaching with Lax for Manage Distraction and Excel Academically program. If you could share your experience and thoughts.
Yeah, she had my daughter Rohita. She was having some inhibitions in whether whatever she is doing is right or wrong. So whatever we say may not be holding good for her because we are continuously saying. So my sister-in-law thought that a third party will be much better to channelize the thought process. So that's when she introduced you, and then it is now 6 to 8 weeks, I believe now, and it is there is a lot of improvement. The first thing that I found was the time management linked with emotional management was the key, which many may not connect with. So the emotional management with time management and planning was the key change that I could see. And that was the turning point, I could say, for her. I could see the improvement in her academics too.
Yeah.
So that one was the difference that I had noticed in the last few weeks.
The whole point of the coaching itself is right. It is to bring in the self-awareness on where we are, and instead of telling them and advising them do this or do that, it is giving them the runway to reflect and understand what they could do better. So in that, it was your daughter also reflected really well. Yeah.
And the another thing for the current generation, they don't know what is the goal, or they don't know what they want.
Hmm.
They are too much educated, or they have too much of information. They don't know which is actual priority. Many I find that they go behind likes or followers. I have been asking her to follow the process, and that was reinstated in your sessions.
Very nice.
That is another thing that she might have got it better, I believe. Though we were saying that you can do anything, you can. It is not the only thing. Engineering is not the only thing. All these things are common things that we keep saying.
Right,
It
right.
doesn't go into because of the peer pressure too. It doesn't go into your mind.
Absolutely.
So that I think she got it better during your sessions.
Excellent. Yeah, thank you so much.
The teenagers should attend these kind of sessions to understand what their priorities are, and understand what is their goal, and what if they are not getting that achieved.
So, do you recommend coaching with lags for other teenagers?
Yes, definitely, I definitely recommend.
Thank you.